What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Fetch. Alright, I wanted to do a full update. It's been relatively bearish in the last 2 days. The market structure, we'll talk about that in a moment. But the market structure to me is quite fascinating, so we'll talk about that as well. I think we have some possibilities here. I'll tell you when I will potentially buy Fetch. So in general, I think a very valuable video. That's up to you, of course, in the end. But that's what we'll do. Now the ASI merger is coming up very soon. I think it's start of July. Yeah, so it starts July the 1st. If it is still the same, they will first convert Ajax and Ocean into Fetch, and then alright, well, this is quite interesting. And then everything will turn into ASI, right? So Fetch. Therefore, I think Fetch is also the main crypto to watch. Outside of Fetch just being the biggest crypto out of the three, it's always been the most bullish. Well, not always, but mostly. And it's always been the one with the most with the most hype and volume. So that's interesting, and that's also why we're looking at Fetch, and that's why I think you shouldn't touch Ajax and Ocean. You can also not trade them anymore. But alright, so that's coming very soon. That means we'll have fundamentals. That means we'll have volatility. And then apart from that, and that's what I said at the start as well, I think the market structure is quite interesting, because what we've seen so far, and for that I wanted to look at the order flow, and then we'll get back into the price. What we've seen so far is that the open interest right here, we've seen it twice. Like the first time was the 19th of June, where in the matter of a day or something, we gained a ton of momentum. Like a huge amount of positions were opened, a lot of long positions, and then a very slow sell-off right here. And then the same happened the 26th of June, even though back then we also got quite a lot of short orders being opened, which I found a little bit strange, but the price still pumped. And then we also had a bit of a sell-off. And then, like, if you follow that, right? So we had two pumps, two sell-offs. What you would say then is that, all right, well, we're waiting for the third pump. And then we can potentially see a rally up to 1.3 and $2, which is the main resistance level. If you zoom all the way out, like that's the 0.5 of the move down, but it's also just the strongest level that we have to break out above. So breaking above that in these circumstances, I don't expect that. Getting there, if something like this happens again, that's possible. However, what makes me slightly, not worried, but what makes me doubt that a little bit is the fact that the situation has changed a bit. And that's because of this, all right? You see that we have a lot of positions being opened right here, which is also very mixed. Like it's both longs and shorts, but that means that the momentum right now is still very high. Whereas the other time, the momentum dropped all the way back down. So I'm not sure if from this momentum level, we can actually see that increase again. I think it's a possibility. It's just that wait for some confirmation, all right? For me, the main level, if you really zoom in, like you can see historically, there's a bit of a level right here at 1.5, which is also a psychological level. If we break above that with momentum, because all the times we've been bullish, the open interest has been bullish. Like we at least have like five, six open interest candles being green after one another. If I see that combination, that breakout with the open interest, with the momentum going up, I will probably buy. All right, it's a risky one, but I probably will, and hope for something like this. Like this could be a great trade, right? I mean, if we get that breakout, you just risk a little bit, and you have a risk reward of 2.6 at the top. Would be ideal. Wait for the breakout. If we get a breakout without momentum, I wouldn't trust it. If we don't get the breakout at all, we'll probably drop down into 1.25 and 1.2 slowly. But those are my thoughts for now. I'll keep you updated on this, but for now, this is what you need to know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.